Hi friends. Sorry, I was just attaching my mic. Anyway, today I just wanted to do a little unboxing of this Grabie 100 watercolors that I ordered because a friend of mine came over recently to paint and she had one of these and I just loved it. Did I need it? No. But anyway, take that out of the box and here we've got a swatch card where you can swatch the colors, and then here we've got a pencil and 3 water brushes. Oh my god, I love this little one that's so compact. I love that. These are the sizes. Very cute. Little pencil sharpener. And then how cute is this? Move all of this over here. And look at that. It's beautiful. So when my friend came over, she had like a little carrier thing, and I saw this, but hers was silver, like just plain silver like this. And I really loved that, and I thought that's what I was getting. This is super cute, but I do wish I got a silver one. Maybe I'll ask her if she wants to trade. But anyway, and then she opened it up to show it to me, and I was like, oh my god, that is so fun. Look at all these colors. So I believe there's like regular colors and then like neon colors and metallic, which these would be the metallic ones, I think, from starting here over the neon ones and then the regular ones. And they look so beautiful. So I might as well do a swatch test real quick. Let's see. Let me grab, I'm going to grab one of my water pens that already have water in them. Let's see. I'll use this Arteza one. I'm just dropping water on each of these. It's probably an easier way to do this. I could probably just spray it. I've done that before. I don't know if that's what most people do or not. I don't usually do what most people do. Oh, I'm running out of water. Anyway, okay, we'll just start then. All right, let's see. I'm not going to swatch it on the card yet. I'm just going to swatch it on paper. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, so I think I have these upside down. Do I? Would that be like yellow ochre? Yeah, maybe. I think that's Alizarian red, if that's how you say that. Anyway, that's very pretty. So that would be like down there. Because I did it upside down. But anyway, I'm going to put it back like this because I'm working a little backwards and it's all good. Okay, anyway, there's that. Let me get a paper towel. I'm doing this very last minute very spontaneously, I mean. So, okay, and then here's the next one. That's pretty too, very similar. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure that it's in here. Also similar. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I don't know, I've got this all backwards. Pretty. A yellowish orange. Man, I'm running out of water in this thing. Hang on a second. Got a spray bottle over here, I'll just use that. Okay, where was I? Pretty. I want to say pretty after each one because they're all very pretty. This is more of like a lemony yellow. Here we've got a white. Beautiful. Here we've got a pretty green. Oh my gosh, that is such a pretty green. That would be so nice for a landscape. Oh, I love this. Love, 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 love. These are very pigmented. I'm pleasantly surprised. Very nice. Wow, look at that. That's a nice oceany watercolor. Here's another one. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. That's bright. This one is very cute. Oh, I like that too. That'd be a good landscape. That one and that one I like a lot. Looks like a lime. Pretty. Here's another really pretty, like, oceany color. That is, oh my God, these two. Love these two. Look at that. Blend them together. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Love, 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 love. Wow, that's bold. I don't like how all over the place the colors are in here, though. Did I do both of those? I guess I did. Yeah, I guess that was this. Yeah, these colors are gorgeous. Oh, that's really pretty. Where was I? Here. Oops. Where was I? Here. That looks very similar. Maybe it was. I don't know. All three of those looked the same, but whatevs. Is it? Yeah, I mean, they're different colors. But anyway, okay. That one's not as vibrant. Let's see. Here's another really pretty teal. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh, got a little blue in there somehow, or something. Excuse me, sorry. Feeling a little hoarse. It's very bubblegum. Oh, I love this peach. That's a very pretty peach. Let's see about that one. All right, well, I have something I've got to do. I just popped in here for a second, but I'll do the rest of these later if you'd like me to. Just let me know. Let me know what you think of the colors and if you like this set. And I'll try to put the link on there in my description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.